Welcome. In this video I will show you how to quickly optimize your TCL V5C TV. First of all, navigate to the top bar of your home screen, then go to TCL home icon, open it. Here select Safety Guard, then let's get started. Tap next, 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 and done. And now, if you want to optimize your device, you just are gonna have to go to Device Manager, and here you can either select Quick Speed Up to quickly speed up your device, clear unnecessary data, and optimize your applications, or you can select Deep Cleanup if you want to to make your device work even faster. So, for example, here we can remove the large files. We can clear apps cache. You can either clean them separately by selecting Clean next to each application, or select Clean All and confirm. If you select large files, you will be presented with the list of files to remove, and other files that this app finds unnecessary. You will also be presented with the list of files that you'll be able to remove from your device, and therefore speed up your device's performance. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.